Hello, sir. You can unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Just now you finished your VELS exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how was the test?
Interesting comment.
Interesting. Okay, sir has some submit the link, share the link. कैसे था आज का टेस्ट? Okay, only 6 students joined. What about the rest of the students? They are still writing VELS or VELS classes finished? Hello, Sakina. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, how was your VELS test?
Nice, ma'am.
Okay, sir has shared the link.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Where he sent the link?
In Google Classroom, ma'am.
Okay, so you people go to Google Classroom and start the test. So in tomorrow's VLS test, there is a maths test actually. So I'm going to share a link in the chat box, and I'm going to share a link in the email also. Okay? Mail.
Okay.
Okay, you
Yeah,
go
ma'am.
either go to mail or you can start the test using chat box. So tomorrow be on time so that I can start my test on time. Okay? Don't tell me ma'am not getting because we already did a demo. You remember? एक demo test
Yes,
हुआ था?
ma'am.
Okay, so you are aware of the test, how I am going to conduct either on the link or wait, one madam is calling me. Yes. जाबिर को क्या पता मालूम नहीं है. जाबिर all the times he asked me for the link. क्यों सेव नहीं करके रखते समझ नहीं आता. Wait for a while. Last moment he is disturbing me all the time. Come on. Today we are going to learn integers. Okay, class 6th. You people know how to define define natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. So today we are going to do integers on number line. You must know what are how the number lies, how the integer lies on number line, how the numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers lies on number line. Yes, Amir. If yes, thumbs up. Yes. Now I'm going to share a screen. So in that screen, I am going to help you out what are how the number line of integer is. I'm helping by using this. This is my number line. Look here. In the center, you will be having 0. Yes, positive number 0 रहेगा. There's something wrong. Okay, I will use this. Please don't do this. Disable कर देना annotation otherwise. Come on. This is my 0. All positive. I will change the color. Red color. इधर पूरे left side 0 के all minus will be there like this. Zero के left side पे पूरे minus रहते. Okay. And 0 के right side all positive numbers like this. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So don't write 4, 5, 6. All positive number lies on right side of the 0 and all negative numbers lies on left side of 0. Asad, sit properly and listen to me carefully. ठीक है. नबील को समझ आई? नबील just speak. Unmute yourself, Nabil.
Ma'am, I understood.
What you understood?
Ma'am, I already understood that there is in the number line, there will be negative numbers and positive numbers. The negative will be on the left side and the positive will be on the right side.
Of what? Left side of 0?
Of the number line.
Don't use this. Negative number lies on left side of 0 and positive number lies on right side of 0. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, say it properly. All negative numbers are less than 0. Just repeat with me. All negative numbers are less than 0. All positive numbers are greater than 0. Clear my point? Everyone? Everyone? Here I am going to ask you some question. So please, I allow you to unmute yourself. But make sure whenever I give the name, then only you people are going to speak up. The rest will be muted only. ठीक है? मैं आपको chance दे रहा हूँ. So you mute yourself, unmute yourself when I ask you to answer. Otherwise don't mute. Otherwise don't unmute. Okay? कौन है भाई यहाँ पर? कोई भी सब mute है ना? ठीक है. Who is this? Please don't unmute unless and until I ask you to unmute. Okay? Now I'm sharing this. Now this is my question. Here all negative numbers are less than 0. ठीक है, all negative numbers are less than 0, all positive number are greater than 0. In the same way, all, oh my god, कौन है ये? All positive numbers are greater than 0. Clear my point? Yes. Now I am going to test you by giving some questions. Let's see, compare it. Which one is greater? Minus 10 dash minus 10 dash 2. Asad is going to answer this. Which one is greater over here? Asad,
Yes, ma'am.
which one is greater?
Ma'am,
Jaldi, I am waiting.
ma'am, 10 is greater.
No, 10 is not a greater. I told you many times, all negative number are less than 0. अगर 0 से छोटे रहे हो ना, तो 2 से भी छोटे रहेंगे ना.
Yes.
So negative numbers are always less than positive number. Make a note in your mind that all negative numbers are less than positive numbers. बोलो, all negative numbers are
All negative numbers are
less
less than
than
positive numbers.
yes, all negative. तो यहाँ पर 10 negative number है, 2 positive number है. So which one is greater over here?
2.
2. Yes, 2 is greater. तो ऐसे लिखोगे 2. Got my point? You are going to write
Yes.
2 like this. Wait, somebody is calling. Hello? Hello? मैं disturb हो तो रही है. Okay. Now next one. Taki, you unmute yourself and Asad, आप mute हो जाइए.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus, not minus. 7. Sorry. 7 and minus 7. Which one is greater over here? Which sign I need to put?
Ma'am, 7.
Which 7 क्या है?
Only 7.
Is 7 a less or
Greater. Sir.
Yes, greater.
Ma'am, great.
Greater sign is this. Hello. Good morning. VELS का? VELS थी. नहीं सर, आपको ऑलरेडी लिंक दे चुके ना, वो यूज करना है. तो आप नहीं, तो आप पहले ही कॉल कर लेना चाहिए था ना, वो टाइम पर ही. VELS की सर ने, अच्छा ठीक है, सर ने टेस्ट गूगल क्लासरूम पे दिया हुआ है VELS का. VELS का आज टेस्ट था, वो गूगल क्लासरूम पे है, जरा देख लीजिए. ठीक. Yes. Now, Taki, you mute yourself and I will give chance to Sakina now. Sakina.
Okay, ma'am.
Greater, tell me. Minus 4 dash minus 9. Which one is greater?
minus 4 ma'am.
Minus 4 is greater. हाँ, you people have doubt, 9 बड़ा है वहां पर, 4 पे भी minus है, 9 पे भी minus है. So remember one thing, in minus signs, the number, the one which is bigger
Minus 9.
will be, who is unmuted? I ask only Sakina to unmute. Please, the rest of the student, should be muted. Only Sakina will be unmuted. So I am explaining the concept now. Sakina answered me very well. -4 is greater because -4 comes first in the number line, right? The number which comes first on the number line will be the greater. देखो यहाँ पर कौन सी लाइन आएंगी भाई, बोलो. यहाँ पर देखो, पहले -4 आएगा, यहाँ पर -4 आएगा, फिर -5 आएगा, फिर so on आएगा, right? So the number which comes first on number line will be the greater in the negative numbers. The number which comes first in the positive number will be the lesser. Listen to me carefully. This concept is very important. यहाँ पर गौर से सुनो आप. 0 के बाद नेगेटिव जो नंबर्स पहले आएंगे वो नंबर्स बड़े रहेंगे. 0 के बाद जो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स आएंगे वो पहले छोटे रहेंगे. जैसा कि 1 से 2 बड़ा है, 1 छोटा है. लेकिन यहाँ पर रिवर्स ऑर्डर है, -1 बड़ा है, -2 छोटा है. सो एक ही बात याद रखो, नंबर लाइन पे 0 से नेगेटिव नंबर्स पे जाएंगे तो पहले जो आएगा वो बड़ा रहेगा. 0 से पॉजिटिव नंबर को जब जाएंगे तो जो नंबर पहले आएगा वो बड़ा रहेगा. सो आई वांट यू टू रिपीट द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, use my same words and tell me. I will give chance to Amir Hassan. Amir Hassan, start your camera. Amir Hassan, just now I speak something. I want you to repeat the same words. Come on.
4 come before 9, that's why 9 is the bigger.
No, you are
So
wrong.
4 is the
Yes, 4 is a bigger. You need to remember only the negative numbers. Positive number में तो आपको अच्छे से मालूम है. Positive numbers कभी भी हम ना इसमें कैलकुलेट करना, मनी में कैलकुलेट कर लेना. जैसा कि अब है आपके पास, एक के पास 100 रुपए है, एक के पास 200 रुपए है. तो 100 रुपए बढ़ के है या 200 रुपए बढ़ के है? Which one is greater?
100 रुपए. 100 रुपए.
100 रुपए बड़ा है, 200
मैम
से
100 rupees.
200.
200 is bigger, 200 is larger.
200.
पॉजिटिव नंबर्स में अपन मनी कंसीडर करना. नेगेटिव नंबर्स में नंबर लाइन पे आके सोचना कि which one comes first. ठीक है, that is the bigger one.
Negative number is small number is large, and
Large number is smaller in negative.
large number is small.
Okay, good one.
Large number is small.
जी बिल्कुल.
छोटे से बड़ा, बड़े से छोटा.
जी कौन है ये बोलने वाले हैं? Okay, fine. Now you understand the concept very well. Now I am going to give you one more now. Who will going to answer this? Fatima. Fatima, you are not opening your camera. Fatima, unmute. Okay, Fatima, which one is greater over here? Which one is greater?
Ma'am, 0.
0 is greater. Yes, very good. 0 is greater because I told you all negative numbers. यहाँ पर देखो definition में all negative number are less. ये negative number सब हर छोटे रहते, हर number छोटा रहता 0 से. Negative का number आया था. Okay, so that means less sign is this. -100 is less than 0. Good job. Good job. Good job. Jaber, it's your turn. Jaber, always you ask me for the link. Why don't you save the links in a one place? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I've saved it now. This time I've saved.
Every time you are telling the same thing to me, and daily you are asking. Okay, Jaber, the question for you is this: 200 minus 300. Which one is greater? Wait,
Ma'am, 200.
200 is greater. Okay, good job. Good job. Now, if it is minus 200 and this is a positive 300, which one is greater now?
Ma'am, 300.
Yes, you understand the concept. If you are regular to the class, then you can do the things better. समझ में आया? आप क्लास को irregular रहते या late आते, you are good in maths. That means you understand the concept very well. Okay, good job. I'm going to share a video for you. Just watch the video. Wait, I will share. Yes, everybody can see the screen.
Comprise of the entire set of natural numbers and 0. So what are integers then? Let's zoom in a bit. Along with whole numbers, the set of integers also includes negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on. We have numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on so that we can count. We also know why we have a 0. Now the question, why negative numbers? The most basic example would be temperature. The temperature can go below 0 degrees and the temperature below 0 degree is negative, like -10 degrees. Let us see a different example. Suppose you gave your friend 100 rupees and that friend returned just 50 rupees. What is the net amount you have now? The net amount you have is -50 rupees. We know there is no note available in the market which amounts to -50 rupees. But a negative sign tells us that you are in a loss. Coming back to integers, all these numbers are integers. We zoom out slightly to understand another interesting concept. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called positive integers, and numbers -1, -2, -3 and so on are called negative integers. We can also define natural numbers as positive integers. Then what about 0? Well, it's neither positive nor negative. Now look at all three of them together. It tells us that all natural numbers and whole numbers are integers. The set of integers would look something like this, and the set of integers are represented by the letter Z. Now we know what integers are and why they are used.
Yes, understood? Yes, understood everyone. What are natural and whole number? So you know how to do how to write the definition of natural, whole and integers. We already discussed this, and you know the comparisons also, how you are going to compare it. Compare भी बहुत अच्छे से आ गया, right? Comparison में which one is greater, which one is lesser, which one is equal to. Equal to मतलब दोनों भी number same रहता, that is the easy one. That's why I haven't give you. But comparison is difficult to decide whether which one is greater, which one is lesser. But you people come to know which one is greater and which one is lesser now. अब आपको आ चुका हो. Now we move to the next session, that is arrangement. How you are going to arrange it. Now arrangement, this is the comparison. You know which one is greater and which one is lesser. One of the student told me here the greater or the lesser. Now here arrange it. I'm giving the arrangement now. Arrange the integers in ascending order. In ascending order. चलो, shall I? If yes, thumbs up. Now you are going to arrange this. Let's see how well you arrange. Come on, I want your answer in the chat box. Yes, one student sent the answer. That is, please, Jaber, I want the answer. Come on, I'm waiting for your answers. Only one. Nabil Ali has sent me this. I asked you to arrange in ascending. You have arranged in descending. Smallest say arrange in ascending is nothing but the smaller to the bigger. Smaller to the bigger. You are wrong, Nabil. Smaller arrange ascending means what? Smaller to big. Ascending का मतलब क्या है? Small to big. Big numbers. Nabil, you are wrong. सबसे छोटा कौन सा? I told you many times the number which are negative numbers are smaller. पहले तो negative numbers small रहते. अब negative में बहुत सारे negative numbers are given over here. So the one which is bigger in the negative number will be the lesser number. Amir Hassan, you also did wrong. पहले हम I will explain. Everybody listen to me carefully. I will explain right now. So that collect all negative numbers. पहले हम negative numbers correct करेंगे. Negative numbers क्या है यहाँ पर बोलो? Negative numbers क्या है? Negative numbers. Negative numbers कौन से हैं बोलिए? I unmute. Okay, I am checking the answers. Here, one of the student, Nabil. Now he did. Nabil did correct now. Yes. Sakina also. Okay. Let me explain this. Amir Hassan, you unmute yourself. Amir and Zulfiqar, दोनों में से कोई एक. Unmute. Now. पहले नेगेटिव नंबर्स क्या है बोलिए अमीर. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव नंबर्स कौन से दिख रहे हैं आपको, जल्दी बोलिए.
-40.
नहीं, ऑर्डर में बोलिए. यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है? -5, कॉमा
-5.
40, कॉमा उसके बाद
-40. -1.
हाँ
-11.
-11. चलो ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट मेरे को पॉजिटिव नंबर्स क्या है बोलो, 2 मिनट. पॉजिटिव
0.
नंबर्स. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स क्या है बोलिए. 0 छोड़ दो. 0 को नहीं लेना. 0 पॉजिटिव भी नहीं है, नेगेटिव भी नहीं है. बोलो. 19. गुड जॉब. 19. 19, 7, 8, 30. और कोई है?
30.
हो गए, पूरे हो गए. ये पॉजिटिव नंबर्स है. अब मैं आंसर यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ, देखो आप. 30 हो गए. अब मेरा आंसर देखो. पहले हम बीच में सेंटर में 0 लिख लेना. 0 लिख लेना. ठीक है. दिस इज माई 0. नेक्स्ट. अब देखो लेसर नंबर पे जाना है. यहाँ पर देखो कौन सा लेस है सब में. माइनस में जितना बड़ा होता उतना क्या रहता वो. लुक हियर एवरीवन.
छोटा.
हाँ, सबसे छोटा कौन सा है इसमें बोलो मेरे को. नेगेटिव नंबर में सबसे छोटा कौन सा है?
1.
1 नहीं होता. जितना बड़ा नंबर है नेगेटिव नंबर में. हाँ,
11.
-40. समझ में आया? सबसे बड़ा नंबर सबसे छोटा हो जाता हो. उसके बाद बोलो कौन सा रहेगा. -40. उसके बाद -11. डोंट टेल मी 11. -11 बोलो. उसके बाद
-5.
गुड. उसके बाद
-1.
-1. पूरे नेगेटिव नंबर्स हो गए हमारे. पूरे नेगेटिव नंबर्स हो गए. अब उसके बाद पूरे नेगेटिव नंबर होने के बाद यू आर गोइंग टू राइट 0. पूरे नेगेटिव नंबर होने के बाद हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0. चल आप बोलो इसमें सबसे छोटा 19, 7, 8, 30 में सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? पॉजिटिव नंबर सबसे आसान है. सबसे आसान यही है. तो टेल मी विच वन इज लेसर. हाँ
7.
ओके. उसके बाद
8.
8. उसके बाद
19.
उसके बाद
30.
यस, योर आंसर्स आर फिनिश्ड नाउ. इजी हो गया. सिर्फ हमारे को प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती? नेगेटिव नंबर्स डिसाइड करने में आती. वहां अच्छा अगर लिख लिया आप तो द रेस्ट ऑफ द नंबर्स आर वेरी इजी फॉर यू. गॉट माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? ओके. यहाँ पर सब जने सोबिया ने क्या हुआ है. सोबिया को तो माइनस प्लस जहां दिल में आया लिखते जा रहे हैं. I want you to write integers in that manner. Clear? Yes, everyone? Yes. Now you people come to know about the all negative numbers are less than 0, all positive numbers are greater than 0. You know comparison, you know arrangements. ठीक है? I am going to give you one more question for you. Shall I? This was the first one. Now I am giving the second one for you. Now this is the second. Shall I give you the second one? Come on. Everybody unmute. No, not unmute. Everybody muted. I'm giving the second one. I want your answer in the chat box. Come on. How well you write, I will see. Come on, do this. Hussein Abbas, start your camera and unmute. Why you are late to the class? Why you are late to the class?
Ma'am, I thought only exam is there.
No, you have exams and you are going to attend the class as usual. Okay, according to the timetable, you have test. The remaining will be as usual. Okay. So from next time onwards, from tomorrow onwards, don't think that only maths is there. You have the classes as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, start the work. Might be you know about this arrangement of integers
Yes,
and
ma'am.
okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. You have to arrange this in proper way.
Yeah, proper way. It's you have to arrange in an ascending. You have two ways to arrange, either in ascending or descending. But I ask you the following numbers to be arranged in ascending orders. Come on, do this.